This is a Sterling ts007 with the 3-star kite marks. The keyway is not too bad. I'm going to use a Peterson's pry bar in 40 thousandths and my Peterson standard hook in 25 thousandths to try to get into it. So there's nothing on 1, maybe a click out of 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, click out of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 1. Click out of 2. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 4. Click out of 5. Gotta click out of 6. 1 puts us into a false set. So why does it keep doing that? Two. All right, 3. So I don't know if I overset number 4. Or if I drop number 6. Alright, so now we're back into the false set. Nothing on 1. Hit 2. Got a real good deeper false set. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see where we're stuck. And 1 opened it up. So this lock isn't really a pushover, and I've been having a hard time keeping the dang tension tool in there, but yep, that is the ts007 3-star